Begin at the Converse Archives and Special Collections homepage located at converse.edu/archives. Scroll down to locate and click on the link that reads View the Yearbook Archives. You have now arrived at the Spartanburg County Public Library's Historical Digital Collections. Click the button that reads Browse to access Converse's landing page. This collection currently includes digitized yearbooks. You can browse all yearbooks or select a specific year from the navigation panel on the left. You can also organize the yearbooks by ascending or descending date by selecting the Sort By tab. Once you have selected a yearbook you would like to view, you will be sent to that particular publication's page. From here, you can view basic details about the yearbook, such as the title and date. In the right navigation panel, you can download a highlighted page by clicking the arrow icon and then selecting this item, or download the entire publication by selecting all. Print a highlighted page by clicking the printer icon and then selecting this item, or print the entire publication by selecting all. From this same navigation panel, you can scroll to view each individually scanned page. When you reach the bottom of the panel, select the right or left arrow to navigate to the next range of pages. Once you have identified the page you would like to view, double-click on that page. Click the expand arrows over the image to enlarge the page and access additional functionality, like keyword search, which is a tool that is being added to Converse's digitized yearbook collection over the coming months. From the expanded view, you can zoom in and out, switch to presentation mode, print, download, and toggle between pages of the selected yearbook. To exit out of the pop-up window, click the X icon at the top right corner of the image.